Hi everyone, in this video I am going to add booking functionality to my Wix Studio website so that I can get online bookings without using Calendly or any third-party tools like Google Calendar or anything, right? Just using Wix native app without paying anything to them. My name is Ashok. I'm a Wix Studio certified developer and I help businesses with Wix Studio services and templates. So don't forget to check out my website. Okay, so now let's dive into the video. So I'm in my Wix Studio project. If you don't know how to build a Wix Studio project, if you are starting from scratch or if you already existing website, then it's fine. If you don't know, then go and check out my Wix Studio crash course where you can learn everything, the basics you need to build a website in Wix Studio, right? To add a booking functionality, I just have to click on this My Business icon here on the left hand side panel. And here you can find all the apps which is built by Wix Studio, right? Which you can use whether it's a file share, portfolio, site search, Wix chat, right? All the things that you need to run a successful business, you can find them here. So we need this app, Wix Bookings. So let's click on this. So here you get the scheduling platform, calendar, and online booking, right? So just click on the app and wait for a while to it to add pages and the functionality that you need for your booking services. So let's say if you are a salon or let's say finance consultant or any kind of running any kind of business which requires this booking functionality, right? Online bookings. If you want the online booking feature on your website, then you can use this on Wix, right? So that you don't have to use HubSpot, Calendly, or Google Calendar or any calendar, right? Applications to add on your website and to pay them extra. Here you don't have to pay anything. You just use its native functionality and it will work very smoothly. You'll have to customize it. I will show you everything in this video once it's done. Now okay, now it's done. So how does it work? So right now I'm on my book page, right? It creates other pages also. Let's say the members pages, the calendar, service page, booking form, cart page, thank you page. Means it's like they can, let's say, whether it's free or paid, right? It's up to you, the services you are selling. So if you are a consultant and selling, like let's say if you are a web design consultant and selling services like which platform is best, right? So platform services, right? So Webflow, Framer, Wix Studio, whichever is best, you can create those services here. Right now is the all services, category 1, category 2, category 3, the service name. Here it says book now. Let's see the flow, how it works. Now I'm previewing the site right now, and let's click on any of the service and see how it works, right? So right now I'm on this book online. So let's say in your menu you have to add a page. I'll show you that also in the upcoming session. So here I can create on this service, book now, or create on this service, click on this service, and it will take me to that particular service page where I can read more about that particular service, right? Let's just wait for it. So right now it is just give it a moment and see. Okay, so here's your service page. As you can see, it has a banner, it has this available online duration, price, service location, all these details that you can add from your backend of this application, right? I'll show you how you can do that. So this is your service page, and here if you go here, let's say the booking calendar, when someone wants to book any meeting with you, right? So you'll get a calendar also. Let's say the service name will be here, they can say all these things and the time, and they get on, if it's online then they will get the link, right? The meeting link. Here you get the, so okay, we seen that. Now let's click on the booking form. Here on the booking form we can we get the form which your users can fill out, right? So here as you can see we have a form, the details, they can make the payment, right? This is the booking form. You can customize all these things, right? And then we have cart, thank you page, site cart, all these for this booking services that you are offering, right? So before customizing and doing anything on this page, let's do one thing. Let's go to the backend and add services so that we can see them here on the live website. So I'll click on the my business again, and here I will be like doing like Wix bookings. Inside we could take online bookings. So right now I have to upgrade, right, to if I want this to be on the online. Create your first service, your work hours, everything that you want, right? So we can do these things from here. Let's say create a service. Just click on that create a service button, and it will pop up this dashboard by Wix, right? This dashboard is specifically built for this application, this booking application, the booking services. If you want to sell them, you can, it will be visible here in your main dashboard of the website. So right now I don't have any payment method set up, that's why it is showing me this, right? But let's go here in the class course, anything I want, I can start from scratch or I can add one. Let's say virtual consultation, right? Paid session online, free online, right? Let's say I add this one, virtual consultation. I'm not going to create anything from scratch, I'm just showing you this is what you get. Service type, it's up to you, appointment, class or course. Right now let's say appointment. Service details, you can have this banner here, the name, tagline, and the description, the duration, buffer time, and then you have choose how clients pay for this service, per person, with a plan, per session, or with a plan. It's up to you, it depends on your service, what kind of service you're offering. And then price per session, let's say fixed price, right, or free, varied price, custom price. It's up to you, right? So you can add the amount, enter amount online, or enter amount in person, however you want to collect the payments, memberships, and packages. So right now say 5 session package, we don't have any memberships, right? Location, client's place, or you can have anything you want here, right? You can edit from here. Video conferencing, right now we don't have any, but here if you want this service to online, add a video conferencing account. So let's say I can add a Google Meet account here, or I can add Zoom account here, or I can add I don't remember that service, but there was this service like Zoom, right? So you can also add other services that you like, and assign staff. You can create the staff for this particular service, and resources and rooms. So let's say if you want to add some resources for the services like PDFs or anything, you can do here. It depends on what kind of service you are offering, right? Images of the services, booking policy, and all these things that you need to run a successful services booking services online, right, on Wix. So let's say we have this one, virtual consultation. Wrong, missing information, what is missing? Let's say I have 150 rupees, and let's save it. Save anyways, right? We don't have any plan right now, let's save it. And here I have one service already. Okay, I don't want more than that, so let's go and check out on our page. We'll get to see that service here now. And now set your work hours, right? You can set the work hours, all right, so that it will help them for this booking one, right, when the calendar opens up. Here in this one, default hours, let's use this default, let's not use the new ones, right? Default hours, it means I have that connect payment. I don't know to connect anything right now, but I can have this services page here. So how you can customize this, right? Because I don't like this layout a lot, but if I want to customize it, this is how I will do it. Here if you click on the manage services, it will open up that dashboard again, and you can manage your services, right? But click on the settings. Inside the settings, you'll get all the options that you need to customize this layout as per your requirements. So right now, choose by service category, choose by service location, choose by service delivery, right? How do you want to choose which services to display? It's up to you, right? You can make changes here, but here in the display section, show title on services list, right? Let's say if I just disable that. See, that search is gone. Show tabs on sources read. I don't want to show any tabs like these are called tabs. I don't want that. I want the video conference page, right? Because I want to tell my users that it's a video conference. Service subtitle, read more link, nothing. Divider, I don't want this divider also, because I think this is fine. Duration and the time is, I think this is good. See, bookings, calendar, service page, where it takes users to, let's say we can take it to service page or the booking calendar, the one I showed you here earlier, right? This booking calendar page. We don't want that now. Let's go to the layout. So right now the layout is like the grid, but we can have the side by side, we can have the strip, or we can have the overlapping layout. These are the design styles created by them. I think this looks much better than that, because you may have some content here. Let's go with these, or you can go with these options given here. I think this is much better, right? Or you can go with this. So let's go with this one, because it has the image. Nice 60 gap between these. This is the 60. Now let's make it 40. I think the spacing was okay. Now see, now it is loading the one that we had created, the virtual consultation. Image layout, left side, let's say right side, right? I want them to see the image first, so I will keep it on the left hand side. And alternate side means, let's say after this one the image would be on the right hand side. If I have another service added here, these images will be on the right hand side. Proportions 50-50, it's fine. Image padding, no padding for the image. Crop, fit, I think crop is perfect, because fit means you may upload 100 by 100 pixel image, right? That won't look good, so let's use the crop one. Crop one is fine. And then text layout, this text layout you can have the in the center, left align, or left align or right align, right? So let's keep it left align. Show tabs as labels or buttons. We don't have any tabs right now, so I'm not going to use this, but you can check this out. Fit tab width to list. Let's say if I have a tab here, so it means width like list, so it will be like the full width of that particular section. Tab alignment in the center or left or right. The text, our services, watch all services tabs, all these read more. Let's say right now it's like a book now, but we can have a links we want. Video conferencing badge available online. So right now book online button is like book now, schedule now, right? I think this is much better. Load more button, load more previous button. I think load previous, I think this is right. Let's go to the design, background and dividers. Let's go to the background. This background, I think let's add a different color here. Let's add this color for this whole online booking one, right? And then services, right? These services, let's keep it white, or let's keep this white, and let's make this one with this that color. I think this is fine. I know it's not looking that good, but let's keep it like that. And let's just add 20 10. I think 10 is fine. And then the image color, background opacity and color, we don't want any color. Corner radius are these ones, we don't want anything. See, border width, this border, you see that border, I think that's too much. Let's make it 10 is fine, or let's make it 5 is much better now. See, it's light, let's keep it 8. And the corner radius 8. So now it's looking good. And then details, divider and opacity. Divider we don't have, that's why we can't change it right now, but this is fine. So this is how you can customize it, right? Let's see if I want to customize the button style, button design. So right now the radius is that much, so let's make it rounded. And then the border width, I think we don't want any border for the button. Background color is fine. Then when someone hovers on our button, we want to make it like this one. We don't have any border, that's fine. And all these things you can check it out. Right now let's go to the, we don't have load more button right now, so the list title, service title, this title, service title, I think this is much better, so let's not change it, but you can change it from here. Read more links, service details, if we have any details here showing here, you can customize that as well, right? So now as you can see, the earlier we had a simple looking layout, but now this layout really pops out because we are adding a background here and it looks much nicer now. So let's go to the booking calendar, and the same way we did on the service page, this book online page, right? The same thing you can do here, the same settings you can manage from here, the layouts, the design style. Right now the daily, weekly, it's up to you, right? And then the display, which one you want to show, subtitle, location, filter, this filter if you want that. Let's not, I don't want that filter, staff filter, I don't want that also. I just want the title, that's it. And what else do we need here? All these things, it depends on you what exactly you want to keep here. So, and layout is fine. Design the same way we did for that option on the services section. And the selections, these selections, so right now you see it's this blue. Let's make it something like this. So now look at this, this looks much disable and all. Let's go with this. This is much nicer. All these tax related things you can customize it from here. Date and time, all these things you want to change, you can do it from there. And same goes to the service page as well, right? So these are the things that you can add. Let's say here we have the service page, then we can change the layout. Right now let's go to the header. In the header we have the cover image. Let's say if you want the service title, we can show the service title, but let's not show that because we already have here. In the body we have everything we want. And the sidebar, we don't have any sidebar, but let's show the sidebar. Contact details, let's show the contact details, right? On the sidebar. And this layout, and this design, header design, body, sidebar. So this is what you need to customize when you are adding these booking services to your page, right? But this is how you can add booking services, let's say online booking services to your page. If you are a consultant, if you are offering any salon, let's say hairdressing or anything, online services, any courses, any tutorials online, live sessions online, right? Then you can use this feature, this app. You can sell them for free or for pay, right? So it could be anything. It's up to you, and you can customize all this page as per your need. But if you don't want to use layouts given by Wix, but you want to use your own custom layouts, then you can do that with Velo coding. If you don't know, go and check out it on Wix Studios resources, courses where you can learn more about them. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. If you need any Wix Studio related services or templates or any free resources, go and check out my website or schedule a call with me. Link is given in the description. Until next time, happy creating.